Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have my Goldie Boxed. Let's just cut to it. Let's get in here and see what we've got. This is the winter Goldie Boxed. If you watch the channel, you know that my girl Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty, my friend, my mystery bundle battle partner, is now doing her own lifestyle box. And it's so good. I'm so proud. She started it about a year ago and it's so unique. It's a lifestyle box. There are several different boxes. Goldie Boxed, you can pick the one that's just right for you. I will tell you all of your choices. With Goldie Boxed, you do customization. But the way we do customization is there are 16 products. All 16 are available to you if you're a Gold Box member. 15 are available to you if you're a Silver Boxed member. And if you're a Bronze Box member, there are 14 products that you can choose from. But they're one huge category. She doesn't break them up like you can have one of these 5 and one of these 5. You can pick, you can fill your box however you want. You can pick whatever you want to put in your box from the entire customization. How great is that? The reason you have just a couple fewer choices is if you are a Gold Bear member, which is the biggest box, there is a Gold Bear exclusive, and the same with Silver. If you are a Silver Bear member, there's a Silver Bear exclusive, except if you're a Gold Bear, you can also pick the Silver Bear. This is the winter box because we don't even start doing our customizations until the first day of the season. So it was the very end of December when we did our selections. This is what it looks like on the inside. And you can see another beauty is the packaging that she uses is she takes old boxes like the boxes that she gets from her boxes or that kind of thing, and she turns them into our packaging material. And then when we get on the inside, this is all my choices, and see how some of my individual choices are even wrapped up in that same cardboard? I love that she doesn't do extra. Before we get into my products, let me tell you, because I told you about the boxes, let me tell you a little more. The bronze box is $29.99 per season. You will get 3 customization choices and she will put in a bonus item. If you are a Silver Bear, it is $44.99. You will get 5 customization choices, and there is also a Silver Bear bonus item. Plus, as a Silver Bear, you also get the Bronze Bear bonus item. I'm looking at this like I don't know all of this. If you are a Gold Bear, which is her biggest box so far, it is $59.99 per season. You get 7 customization choices. You get the Gold Bear bonus item, plus the Silver Bear and the Bronze Bear bonus items. And she also offers a Surprise Bear box, which is $21.99 and includes 3 items from that season, but it's not customizable. And because there needs to be more, and for every box sold, a tree is planted. And she updates us periodically on the forest we're growing. So I'm gonna open up my paperwork so I can tell you just a little bit about each of the items that I chose. Reaching in right on top, we have a Color Everywhere chalk crayons. And I chose this because each season I try and choose the more family-oriented item, because every season she has a more family-oriented item in here, and I want to pull it out because I want you guys to be able to see that she does these types of things, which is so unique to a box. And I have 4 beautiful granddaughters, so it works for me to have the family-oriented item around the house. And it says Color Everywhere: windows, mirrors, black paper, white paper, cardboard, chalkboards, whiteboards. I loved that they could write on, I have a huge sliding glass door, and I loved that they, littles would be able to come over and just write all over it, and then I would be able to clean it up. When we open it, this is what it looks like. So those are the colors. Oh. Luckily I only lost one. These are the colors included. They're really pretty, like pastel-like colors. So pretty. This will be perfect to have around for Easter. And I did not think to ask Jess before I came up and taped this if this box was still available, but I will let you know here if this is still a box that you can get. It has a $12.99 value, and it says 12 twistable chalk crayons that can be used on a variety of surfaces, including windows and whiteboards. And all of her beauty products, by the way, are cruelty-free. I know this isn't beauty, but I wanted to tell you guys that. Let's go ahead and do this. Oh, that is so awesome. It writes on it, yeah, it just, how cool is that? I know, I would choose a mirror, but that is, the girls are gonna love this. The girls are going to love it. And I will let you know at the end the value of my box. I'm gonna round up all of the 99s to even numbers, just so you know right now. I'm not trying to cheat, just making the math easy. Also, I didn't necessarily make the most expensive choices. I make the choices that I know I'll use, so I don't necessarily have the most expensive box. Next out, I have a Bella Pierre Eye Slay Natural Eyeshadow Set. Step-by-step instructions included. That is what it looks like. And it is a set of powdered eyeshadow. Oh, it even comes with a brush. That is so cute. That is so pretty. And it shows you on the back how you can do different eye looks. This has a $45 value and it says a mineral-based eye kit with 3 loose shadows and a brush. Each kit also comes with application instructions. I'm not going to get into opening all of this, and I may pass it along, and I picked it out knowing that, but that would be a really nice gift. Okay, next out, I chose the Get On Up Foaming Gel Body Wash with pure fragrance, peach cherry blossom and white jasmine. It is USA made, and it's called Love Spell from Country Bathhouse. I love that that's pink. I can't believe Jessica got something that pink to put in the box. She's a giver because pink is not her favorite. An all-natural foaming body wash and a copycat I'm going to assume Victoria's Secret because it says VS Love Spell scent made with hydrating coconut and avocado oil. I might have to see if that's one of the scents that my daughter liked back in the day because my daughter loved all those scents. That smells so good. I really like the smell of that. That is gorgeous. And you guys know, I've talked about it a million times. I use an extraordinary amount of bath gel when I do it. I put so much on my loofah that I want lots of bubbles. It's just, I want lots of bubbles. Did I tell you this had a $16 value? Next out, I have, oh, it's in glass, a Dirty Lamb Apricot Cleansing Oil. That is what it looks like. In the winter, I like a cleansing oil. I usually do a second wash with like my Erno Laszlo soap, but I love this for taking off my makeup. This has a $42 value and it says a natural and vegan makeup melting cleansing oil. The perfect first step in a double cleanse. It's like I cheated, but I didn't, I promise. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand, so we'll see what it smells like. Feels like oil, because you know, it's an oil. Oh, it's very clean. It just has that very clean face oil scent. If you've ever had a face oil or an oil cleanser, that's what it smells like. I like that because it smells like a face scent. It doesn't smell like cooking oil. I have used oils like this that when you put them on, you think, well, that smells like Crisco. This doesn't. It has a very nice, clean, fresh, oily scent to it. That came off really nicely, and now my palms, they don't feel oily, but they feel very moisturized. It feels fantastic. Next out, I have a Vanilla Jasmine Premium Green Tea with jasmine flowers and vanilla. Place 1 teaspoon of tea in filter, add 8 ounces of boiling water, steep 3 to 4 minutes. That is what, oh, that's the back. The front is even prettier. I like the apothecary look of that. That is really neat. This has a $19 value and it just says a green tea with jasmine flowers and subtle notes of vanilla. Let's see if I can get the lid off. Oh yeah, oh, I expected it to be in a bag and it is not. So you guys can see how nice that looks. Oh, it smells so good. Green tea with subtle hints of vanilla. They are not wrong. I don't think I smell the jasmine, but I don't mind that. That smells lovely. And yet, there's more. Next out, I have a You Are Cozy Hot Cocoa. Cozy Cocoa Vegan Coconut Wax Candle. That's what that looks like. Let's smell the cocoa. I do the cocoa from Bath & Body, so I consider myself quite the expert. Oh, that smells, oh my goodness, that smells like cocoa, like chocolate. It smells more like a Tootsie Roll to me than cocoa. I love it. It smells so good. I'm at the end. This one is almost pitiful now. I think this might replace it and start smelling like cocoa up in her before winter's over. Yeah, that smells good. This is from Meaningful Mantras. It has a $12 value and it says a vegan coconut wax mini candle with a You Are mantra in hot cocoa or espresso vanilla. So I chose the cocoa. I could have chosen espresso vanilla. I can guarantee you that was a hard choice for me because I love my cocoa and I love my vanilla. I wonder what the You Are, oh, You Are Cozy. I was like, what does the You Are mantra mean? But You Are Cozy. Gotcha. My last choice, but then there's our bonuses. My last choice was the AMNH Unicorn Dreams Whipped Body Butter. And it says it has coconut oil in it. I can tell you why I chose this. I chose this because I picked this up for my granddaughters from a Boxy sale. And I was over their house and they were like, oh, Nana, you have to smell this. Because I got it for them because I thought it would be cute. You know, it looks whipped and it's got the really cool colors, and you know, they're 10 and 14, and I just thought they would think it was really cool. It smells so good. And they were like, you've got to smell this, Nana. And it smelled amazing. And the body butter is so thick. It was just me scooping a little bit. Just that tiny little bit that you guys just saw me put on the back of my hands. It's amazing. I knew once I smelled theirs, I had to have some for me. That's gorgeous. This has a $20 value, and it says whipped body butter made with a blend of organic oils and butters, nourish dry winter skin with these luxe moisturizers. Okay, so just the items that I chose that I just showed you have a $167 value. The box was $59.99 to me, and I have $167 worth of value so far and haven't done the bonuses. So the Bronze Bear bonus is the shower steamers in mint eucalyptus. They are non-GMO, and it's from Lizush. Is that true? That's what they look like. They have a $7 value, and it says eucalyptus and mint shower steamer fizzies. So this is just one. Each 2-inch by 2-inch cube is all natural, vegan, and hand pressed. Use as a steamer and breathe in the essential oils, or use as a scrub directly on your skin. That's kind of cool. The Silver Bear bonus is the iTech 2-color pen and stylus. 2 colors, red and black ink. So it's just a pen that you can, that's pretty cool. iPad, iPhone, iPod, Android, Windows, BlackBerry, smartphone, MP3 players. So that is what that looks like. And this was the Silver Bear bonus. It says stylus and single tip ball pen to use on paper as a pen or on technology as a stylus. A nifty companion for keeping your to-do lists on track this year. It has an $11.99 value. And the last bonus, oh, my butts almost fell off when I took that out. The Gold Bear bonus is a 101 West room spray in Jack Frost. That is cool. That is what that looks like. Shake it before you use it. I can see that there are essential oils in it. Refresh any room or vehicle with just a few sprays of this hand-mixed natural room spray. The winter scent, Jack Frost, is a mixture of peppermint and vanilla. I mean, because we have to, right? I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna open this box back up and spray it right into the box. Oh, it smells like peppermint and vanilla. It did not lie. That smells fantastic. Yep, this gets to go downstairs and make my house smell like this. That is lovely. But yes, there are essential oils in this. So I would say be sure and shake it each time you use it. And did I mention that has a $7.95 value? The bonus's total value, so if you're a Gold Bear, and I am, the total value in bonuses was $27. So if you add that to my choices, which was $167, it totals $194. I think that's a great value for a box that is full of things that I would purchase. So these were the 3 bonuses. So you got this as a bronze, this as a bronze and silver, and this as a Gold Bear. And then my choices were the eyeshadows, the Family Fun chalks, which are amazing, the hot cocoa candle, there's no way this is happening, the jasmine and vanilla tea, the awesome rainbow body butter that is amazing, the Dirty Lamb apricot face wash, which I love, and the Get On Up body wash, which is the dupe of the Victoria's Secret Love Spell. Those were my 7 choices. The choices that I did not make were the Avenue Zoe striped knee-high socks in burgundy, one size fits most, size 5 to 10, with a $16.10 value. The DNA Candle Company, $17.99 value, all natural winter pine and cinnamon scented fire starters made of 100% soy wax. The Green Tea Jewelry, a pair of earrings made from sustainably sourced wood in green bubbles or red roses, $14.95 value. The Go Cuff, which is an eco-friendly alternative to single-use coffee sleeves. Kind of wished I had gotten this. Upgrade your to-go cup with a handle and keep hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. The J&L Naturals, a vegan muscle rub with cayenne, cinnamon, and clove to provide muscle and joint pain relief, $14.99 value. The Kiko Leather $20 genuine top grain cowhide leather card holder that's handcrafted with 2 card slots. Mo Skin, a moisturizer created for all skin types, infused with matcha green tea and natural fruit botanical AHAs. That's why I didn't get that. $15.99. the Pure Drop, a cooling hydrating gel with aloe and arnica flower. Menthol provides an instant cooling sensation. Use like a leave-on mask. $12. Another one that I thought really hard about was the resin car coasters with glitter and gold flakes to keep your car cup holders clean, from Ready Limited, and they had a $15 value. And those are the items that I did not choose. So you could have chosen whether you were a bronze, silver, or gold from 14 to 16 of those products. It's a good box. Or somebody I love. I say that because I have the crayons and I have this really nice eye set that I suspect somebody might like to try. So I will put the link and my code below, Kathrin10. When you sign up, if you just use Kathrin10, you will get 10% off your first box. Doesn't matter which size you choose. I will let you know here if the winter box is still available. Thank you so much for coming by to check out my choices. I love this box, not just because Jessica does it, but because I really like these products. I hope you have a really great rest of your day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.